How to turn off system ads on Android phones. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can turn off system ads on Android phones. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So to turn off your system ads on Android, you can use a private DNS. You can use the private DNS for comprehensive blocking, managing your Google Ads settings to reduce personalization, and so on. So first, go to your settings, go to network and internet or connections, whichever is on your setting, then head over to private DNS. On your private DNS, select private DNS provider hostname like I have done in mine, then add this hostname, that is dnsadguard.com. So just add dns.adguard.com or dnsadguard-dns.com. Then tap on the save button. After you've saved it, your DNS is now set. Now you'll need to go to your settings again. Find Google. Tap on Google. Go to all services. Find ads. And from here, you'll need to turn off your app suggested ads. So you can see ads privacy, head over there. From here, you can see app suggested ads. Make sure that this is turned off. And also you can delete your advertising ID as well. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.